Good morning, friends. Our loved ones want us to trust. We must trust again. You can trust the people around you. They say the answer you're seeking is love. Yes, we are all connected with the power of love. You are on the road to success, and the cloud of oppression is lifting, and you don't have fear and doubt and things like that anymore. Your psychic abilities are growing and you're trusting your intuition a lot more now. And an unexpected gift will bring you great fortune. The wealth card is here. That is wealth in all areas of your life. That is in your health, your monies, your friendships, everything. And there's great happiness coming your way and only good things. They say you must communicate with your angels. There is a happy surprise coming your way today, and something very good is going to happen. You're going to get an increase in your material wealth and spiritual growth, and this is going to come in fast. You need to follow your own light in this situation. There has been shrewdness, especially in business, but a secret wish will soon be granted. You need to keep your heart open. You must balance your friendships. It must be a balanced giving and taking situation. They want you to forgive the past, and it's time to let go of anger and blame. You have a new attitude now, and you're not weighed down by other people's problems anymore. As far as work achievement and success goes, your creative energies are in full spring. While spring is good, you need to express yourself. You are being protected by your angels and loved ones from a powerful friend. They say there is improvements underway and there's delays under other improvements. Just be patient. Uplift your thoughts. They say you have the power to help and heal others, especially where there's discord amongst your family and friends. You've been very patient and you've tried out so many things, and there is a light at the end of the tunnel. You're going to have financial gain, usually coming from something that you did in the past. Stay open hearted and open minded. It's all coming in your favor now. Have a good day, everybody. I love you all.